Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dottie with Ignite Cinemas, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to import and apply LUTS in Final Cut Pro 10 the easy peasy way. Let's get it! So as of late, I've been wanting to speed up processes, and I realized LUTS are extremely easy to use, and they're extremely easier to use if you have 10.4 and above in Final Cut Pro 10. Before, you would have to use things like Color Finale or MLUT and download these third-party applications to be able to run it. But now, you don't have to. I want to show you guys how simple it is. So here's some footage I took right here. That's me. And what you're going to want to do, first you're going to want to download some LUTs, which I have already. But you're going to want to come over here to the two boxes right here, go under color and go to custom LUT. And you're going to drag that on top of it. Now once you do that, over here you're going to see something called LUT, and if you don't have any LUTs, all this is going to be non-existent. It's going to be blank. So what you're going to want to do is come to custom LUT and go to the location where you have those LUTs. In my case, I had it here. I forgot who made these LUTs. I purchased them though. I forgot the YouTuber. When I remember, I'll put the link in the description. And you would select the folder. Instead of going one by one by one by one, you would select the folder, hit open, and voila, it'll all pop up. Now in my case, I can go through which ones would be best for this. LUTs are short for lookup tables, and it makes color grading an even more breeze in your processes, finding up looks. Let's say I wanted to go with something like this, Mr. Suave. You can also, in the mix, you can adjust it. Maybe that might be too much. You can adjust it down a little bit. Usually I don't like doing that though. I actually like this basic right here. And then to enhance it, I would hit like Command 6, bring up the color table, and I would, adjust things a little bit to my liking. And you guys can find LUTs all over YouTube. There's a lot of free LUTs available, and of course there are millions of LUTs you can purchase, and you guys can experiment. But this is the extremely easy way to start using lookup tables in your footage, to ice it up, to make it look more crispy, to make your processes easier. And that's what I'm all about, and that's why I like teaching these Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials for you. If this tutorial helped you guys out and it was easy to follow, hit that thumbs up button for me right now, like the video, and if you want to see more Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials as well as gear reviews, unboxings, and filming hacks, tips, and tricks, hit that red button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video, and as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.